Gaining the upper hand. Understanding, you have the edge. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard. You have the edge. This expression is rich in meaning and widely used in various contexts. Our goal is to unpack its significance and usage so you can confidently incorporate it into your conversations. Let's get started. When someone says, "You have the edge," they're essentially telling you that you have an advantage or superior position compared to others in a specific situation. The edge here symbolizes a metaphorical sharp advantage, implying that you're a step ahead of your competition or peers. This advantage could be due to various factors like skills, experience, resources, or even a strategic position. To understand how "you have the edge" is used, let's look at some examples. In a job interview scenario, if you have unique skills or experiences that other candidates lack, a mentor might tell you, "You have the edge over other applicants." This means your unique qualities make you more likely to be selected. In sports, before a game, if one team has a better record, home field advantage, or key players in top form, fans might say, "Our team has the edge." This suggests they are more likely to win because of these advantages. In business, when a company has a new, innovative product that competitors don't offer, analysts might say, "This company has the edge in the market." It means the company is likely to attract more customers and achieve greater success. Understanding when and how to use "you have the edge" can enhance your English communication, especially in competitive or comparative discussions. Here are some tips. Use it to motivate or encourage. Highlight someone's advantage to boost their confidence. In analytical discussions, when comparing two options, use this phrase to point out why one is superior. Be specific about the advantage. Whenever possible, follow up the phrase with a reason. For example, "You have the edge because of your extensive volunteer experience." We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, "You have the edge," and how you can use it to express advantage and superiority in various contexts. Remember, knowing such expressions not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you communicate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.